Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. My voice is clear. Am I audible? Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? All right. Yesterday, we discussed how to launch the Chrome browser. We discussed yesterday. If you want to launch the Chrome browser, we need to set the configuration. We need to set the configuration. Where we need to set the configuration? We need to set the configuration system level. We need to set the configuration system level. See, if you want to set the configuration in system level, first of all, you guys are provide key and value. What is the key? Key is WebDriver, Chrome driver. Key is WebDriver, Chrome driver. Connection. Yeah. And after that, we need to provide the value. What is the value? The value is the driver path. The value is the driver path. No. This side. Same. బ్లింక్ అవుతుంది అది. Yeah. The drive, when you guys are provide the request to WebDriver, the WebDriver request to remote driver. The remote driver communicate with the classes. Which class? Chrome driver class, Edge driver class, and Gecko driver class. See, if you want to create common object, we are able to access the, if you want to create the common object, we are able to access the WebDriver method and Chrome driver method. WebDriver method, when I put the driver dot close is the WebDriver method. If I want to execute my Chrome driver, the automatically the Chrome driver communicate with that methods, then automatically it will be launched. And after that, if I want to launch any specific URL, if you want to launch any specific URL, you guys are provide driver.get. When you guys are provide the driver.get, in that driver.get, you need to provide the any expected URL. And after that, when you guys are provide the URL, the time it should be displayed minimize window. The minimize window, we are unable to automate. The minimize window, we are unable to automate. If you want to automate any type of application, we need to convert minimize to maximize. When you guys are convert minimize to maximize, then we are able to automate the application. Connection. Okay. See, if I want to convert minimize to maximize, I need to provide driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. When I provide the driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, automatically I am able to convert minimize to maximize. That is the process. That is we discussed yesterday. That is we discussed yesterday. Is it clear or not? Yeah. Put the heading. How to launch the Chrome browser. Huh? Yeah. List of HTML elements. List of HTML elements. There are a different types of there are a different types of there are a different types of elements is there on web page. There are a different types of elements is there on web page. That is text box. That is text box and links. Links and element. Text box. There are a different types of elements is there on web page. That is text box, links, element, button, and radio button, checkbox, drop down. Drop down. Okay. Yeah. You guys are provide the arrow mark beside of the text box. Enter link. Text box enter link click, element click, button click, radio button select or click. Radio button select or click. Text box enter, links click, element click, and button click, radio button select or click. Select or click. Checkbox. Checkbox also select and click. Checkbox also select and click. Drop down, click and select. Drop down, click and select. Drop down, click and select. Is it clear? This is the list of HTML elements. List of HTML elements. The next one, how to launch the Chrome browser. How to launch the Chrome browser. How to launch the Chrome browser. మీరు నిన్ను చూసుకోలేదా మీరు నా క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది కదా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎవరు క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది అప్పుడు వస్తుంది Yeah, how to launch the Chrome browser. If you want to launch the Chrome browser, without human effort, if you want to launch the Chrome browser without human effort, we need to set some property. We need to set some property in system level. We need to set some property in system level. We need to set lights options and some property system level. That is key, comma, values. Key, comma, values. Okay. Key, comma, values. Key, comma, values. You guys are put the key under the key, put the heading, the key, put the heading under the key. We need to write WebDriver, comma, Chrome, comma, dot, not comma, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay, Chrome dot driver. Okay, see, next one, value. Next one, value. Next one, value. Under value, we need to provide, under the value, we need to provide, under the value, we need to provide driver path. Under the value, to provide driver path. Okay, under the value, we need to provide driver path. Next one, next line. If you want to access WebDriver methods, if you want to access WebDriver method and Chrome driver method, if you want to access WebDriver method, Chrome driver method, we need to create the common object. Common object. We need to create the common object. Okay, next line. If we want to create a object for, if we want to create a object for Chrome driver, comma, WebDriver, if we want to create a object for Chrome driver, comma, WebDriver, only we are able to access we are able to access a specific methods. If you want to create object for WebDriver or Chrome driver, only we are able to access a specific methods. Only we are able to access a specific methods. Okay. The two steps you guys are write down under the theory. System.set property, WebDriver.Chrome.driver, comma, driver path. Next one, WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. The two steps you need to write under the system.set property, system.set property within the double code, brackets within the double code, WebDriver dot WebDriver dot see guys on the screen. What is your project? Yeah, system.set property brackets code WebDriver.Chrome.driver, comma, double code close, again double code. We need to provide driver path. Next, WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Huh? See on the screen. Every time we are able to write same code. If you want to do any application automate, must and should we need to write same process. Okay, done now? Yeah, put the heading driver dot get. Put the heading driver dot get. Driver dot to get. Put the heading. Then now, yeah. If you want to launch any expected URL, if we want to launch any expected URL, we need to use get method. We need to use get method. Then automatically we need to use get method. Then automatically we are able to launch. Then automatically we are able to launch expected URL. Then automatically we are able to launch expected URL. Okay. Next one, thread.sleep. Thread.sleep. Yeah. If you want to hold the active window, if you want to hold the active window within the specific time, if you want to hold the active window within the specific time, we need to use sleep command. We need to use sleep command. Okay. Is it clear? We need to use sleep command. The next one, driver.manage.window.maximize. 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 Okay, is it clear? Yes, write down. If you want to automate, if we want to automate any application, if we want to automate any application, the minimize window, if you want to automate any application, comma, the minimize window, we are unable to automate. We are unable to automate, full stop. Once we convert the minimize to maximize, once we convert the minimize to maximize, we are able to automate the application. We are able to automate the application. The minimize window we are unable to automate, full stop. Once we convert the minimize to maximize, we are able to automate the application. Okay. Next one, driver.close. Next one, driver.close. If you want to close any active window, if you want to close any active window, we need to use close method. If you want to close any active window, we need to use close method. Close method. Clear? It is clear? Is it clear, guys? Okay. The next one, how to get the title. Yeah, Datu, get. If you want to launch any expected URL, if you want to launch any specific or expected URL, we need to use get method. If you want to launch any specific or expected URL, we need to use get method. Based on that one, we are able to launch the expected application. Okay. Yeah. Get to title. Okay. Get to title. How to get the title? How to get the title? See, guys, every application having one title. Every application having one title. Okay. See, for example, Salesforce having one title, Amazon having one title, Flipkart having one title. Okay. E-commerce, any type of, not only e-commerce, insurance and domain, banking domain, any type of applications, we have titles. If you guys are validate the titles, how you guys are validate the title? See, how you guys are able to validate the titles? Tell me. Okay. Yeah, we are expecting something. actual is something. Both are different test cases. Okay. We are expecting something. What we are expecting, the result the system provided same. The test case is pass. Okay. The expected result and actual result both are same. The test case is pass. The expected result and actual result both are different. The test case is fail. What is the expected? What is the actual? Yeah, correct. Before doing the testing, what we are expecting, that is we call a expected. And after completion of the testing, the system provides some response, that is we call a actual. Okay. See guys, the class name start basics is not a different name. So that's why I'm using. Every class I was using, any class I was using Selenium, same start basics, any class. Okay. See guys, you guys are, first of all, we need to create the method. Public void launch AUT. Public void launch AUT. Under the method, I need to provide system dot set property. Key is the WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Chrome dot driver. And after that, here we need to provide application. Correct. How you guys are able to get the driver path? Go to driver path, select, right click and click on copy as path. You guys are install the, create the project or not? Created? No. Huh? Okay. After Selenium, you guys are create. We need to create the common object. If you want to create the common method, driver equal to new. What is the Chrome driver? What is the Chrome driver? That is a constructor. The Chrome driver is the constructor. Okay. Import org dot openqa dot selenium openqa dot selenium, and we need to import the Chrome driver. We need to import the Chrome driver. Once you guys are import the Chrome driver, every time I am unable to write comment. Okay, just you guys are understand. Line number 8 is the driver path. Line number 9 is the common object. Okay, and of what we need to do, driver dot get. I need to get the expected URL. Just I need to log in Salesforce. Okay, the next one, I will put some wait. Let's wait some time. Thread dot sleep. The thread dot sleep will hold the active window within the specific time. Okay, we need to provide the 2 milliseconds. Once you guys are provide the 2 milliseconds, after that we need to provide driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, we need to provide. See, this is not an error. You need to throw some exception before getting the error. Before getting the error in this code, you need to throw some exception. When you are using the thread dot sleep, every time we need to use throws exception. That is common. Okay. Yeah. That is not a error. And after that, I want to create a one more method, public void. Public void title. Public void title. I want to get a title. I want to get a title. If I want to get a Salesforce login title, I need to use driver dot. What happened here? We are expecting some methods. After put the dot, we are expecting some method. But here it should not display the methods. What is the issue here? What is the issue here? We are expecting, when I put the dot, we are expecting methods, but here it should not display the methods. What happened? Something is not working here. If you want to get the Selenium method, something is required. What is that one? If you want to access the Selenium methods, we need to create object for common object. For WebDriver, for Chrome driver. Okay? For WebDriver, for Chrome driver. Once we creating the object for WebDriver or Chrome driver, we are able to access the all the methods. So here you guys are observe, I put it inside of method the WebDriver. This is public property or private property? Public, private property. This method only able to access launch only. This method able to access the title? No. This method only able to access launch. So this is the private. This is the private. I need to remove this WebDriver. I will put it in public area. I will put it in public area. When I put the dots, I am able to get the methods. When I put the dots, I am able to get the methods. Driver dot get title. You guys are able to understand? WebDriver is provide Selenium methods. WebDriver is provide Selenium method. If I want to communicate the WebDriver, I am able to access the Selenium methods. If you are unable to communicate, you are unable to get the existing methods. So WebDriver I will provide inside of the public area. Public area. What is that called? Public area under? What is that one? Instance variable. Just I was discussed 1 week. Not 1 week, 3-4 days. Okay. And one more name. Global variable. Public and instance are global. So you guys are observing, I need to compare my expected title and actual title. See, this is my actual title, ACT title. This is my ACT title. See, I am expecting string equal to exp equal to, I am expecting welcome to Salesforce. This is my expected. Not expected. I am thinking like that. Okay. This is I am thinking. Okay. See, I need to compare the expected title and actual title. We need to use how you guys are able to use equals. Yeah, compare to string. Where I need to compare? Shall I use any method or any loop or any condition, anything? If condition, we need to use that. Guys, that is right or wrong? First of all, you guys are speak out. Okay. If exp, if exp dot equals ignore case act, system dot out dot println else is it clear? Both are not equal. So now I'll execute this code. If you want to execute the code, what I need to do? If I want to execute the code, what I need to do? We need to create the object for class inside of the main method that is common. Now obj dot launch AUT. See, the code will be executed based on this one or based on this one? Based on main method. Obj dot, we need to provide title. Just throws declaration. Now I will execute. Let's wait some time. We are getting error. No. Yeah, already browser launch. You guys are read that one. See here, Chrome is being controlled by Automate Test software. Now I am able to get the title. See, what is the error? Selenium WebDriver exception. Selenium WebDriver exception. Missing empty. Runtime collection function response. Chrome version 119. Okay. I need to change the version. See, I need to change the version. Just I need to close. Only 3 is open. Just a minute. I need to change the browser. My browser version is the 119. I was using 118. So that's why the Chrome browser, Chrome driver is mismatch. We got error. Now I will try to do. Launch the URL. Waiting for login Salesforce. See guys, we got a waiting for login Salesforce. Yeah, we got, and we will verify. Again, session info is the something. Okay, done. The action cannot become because the folder is filed. It will be open another program. Close the folder and try again. I put it the copy this one. Paste it. Extract. Open. Copy as path. And we need to paste it here. Control S. Now it is launch. Okay. Go to. Is it clear now? You people are able to understand? I said before what I am saying. The WebDriver informed to the remote WebDriver. The remote WebDriver request to the browser. The browser is go to the driver path location. Chrome browser version and the driver version both are same. Chrome will be execute. We didn't get the error. Before what happened? We are using the 118. Okay. The browser is, I was using the driver is 118 and my browser is the 119. So both are mismatched. We got a error. So you guys are observe both are not equal. Okay. If you guys are print a title, if you guys are print a title, system.out.println, we need to call the ACT. Right click on here, running. Actually, I don't have an idea about the title. So I want to print the title in my console. I want to print the title in my console. See guys, login Salesforce. This is the title. So I will cross check. What is our expected now? We are expecting both are same. Okay, done. See guys, both are same. You guys are able to understand? Okay, before your doubt is clear, Chrome browser, why we got a error, Selenium session WebDriver exception. Okay, WebDriver exception. What is the WebDriver exception? The Chrome existing system, existing Chrome browser version, Chrome driver version mismatch, then automatically we are able to get error. Okay, clear or not? Yeah. The next one, any doubt, online and offline? Any doubt? Do you have any doubts, boys? You are able to understand or not? Understand or not? How to get the title? Title means every application having one title. Okay, every application having one title. For example, I want to launch the Amazon. Every title having one, every application having one title. Every application. If you want to take any application, just a minute. See guys, this application, I will pick this application URL. I paste it here. No. I paste it here. And after that, I want to get the title of the Amazon. Okay. I want to launch the browser, Amazon browser. Right click on here, run in Java application. Both are not same. See, now I will close and I will verify the title. See this title, online shopping site in India and shop online and more Amazon. This is the title. So this title I will provide here. This title I will provide here. Now I will execute one more time. Now I will execute one more time. See, online and offline, if you want to get a title, actually title, we don't have an idea about the title. We are unable to find the title in application. How you guys are able to find the title in application? We need to use driver.getTitle method. Based on that one, we are able to get the title. Okay. If you want to compare expected title and actual title, you need to provide like this. Okay. This is the expected title I am expecting before doing the testing. This is after completion of the testing. What is the system response? See, what is the system response I want to print? And after that, I need to compare. I need to compare what I am expecting, the actual, what before doing the testing, after completion of the testing, both are same or not, I need to verify. Okay. See, now it should be displayed. Both are same. Is it clear or not? You are able to understand? The next one. Clear or not, online and offline? That's why I'm telling we are able to use Java commands. You guys are able to practice the Java. Then you are able to understand. You guys are unable to practice the Java. It is little bit difficult, not a difficult guys. Concentrate. It is very easy compare with Java. What is the first step? Line number 18. Okay. Line number 18. You guys are observe. Line number 18. I am expecting one title when before doing the testing. Is it clear? So title is the data or number? Data. So I was stored inside of the string. I provided one variable. Is it clear? Yeah. So I am expecting before doing the testing one title. Okay. And actual title, I don't have an idea. Actual title, I don't have an idea. If I want to get the actual title, I need to use the existing commands. What is the existing commands? Driver dot get title. Driver dot get title. So I was using the driver dot get title. By using driver dot get title, actual also I am expecting data. So I declare string data type. Now it is clear both? Yeah. And after that, line number 20, I want to print the actual title. Line number 20. Line number 21, I need to compare before doing the testing what I am expecting. After completion of the testing, what is the system response? Both are equal or not? I need to verify. Okay. Both are equal. The if condition will be executed. Both are not equal. Else condition will be executed. Now it is clear, burra paglide. Now it is clear. Batch, Kiraki batch. Kirkir batcha. Kirkir batch. Is it clear? Now it is clear, guys. Yeah, you guys are able to use Nova's equal also. It is possible. Okay. Equal also it is possible. Everybody able to understand? That's it. Now, you guys are observe. This is the application. I will explain you manual flow. After that, I will automate what I was explained manual. That one I will automate. Okay. See, this is the application. This is our application. In this application, I want to get the page source code. I want to get the page source code. Is it, you know, page source code? You don't know. So I will show you. This is the page source code. Page source code. This page source code, page related code. Okay. Login Salesforce related page source code. Okay. SCD. You guys are heard that word or not? Where? HTML, there is no concept. Hypertext markup language is not there. I was not discussed that one. Software development process, software development life cycle. Which step? Software development life cycle? Yes. Development phase is there, coding phase. Once the developer develop the code based on the language, they will store all the code inside of the SCD folder, source code document. Source code document. Is it clear or not? Okay. See, page source code. Page means login Salesforce. Source code. This is the source code. I want to print this source code in my console. I want to print complete source code in my console. And one more condition. What is my condition? I will validate inside of the page source code username and password that what is there or not. Listen carefully. Step number 1, launch the application URL. Step number 2, I want to get the page source code. Okay. See, this is the page. This related source code I want to get. This related source code I want to get with the code. Okay, not manual, with the code. Okay, this source code I will print inside of my console. I will print inside of my console. And after that, in this source code, I need to validate any text. Any text. For example, listen carefully. Login URL. I want to validate login URL. Login URL. If I want to validate login URL, the login URL is there or not in my page source code, I need to validate. My question is clear? You are able to understand or not? No? Login URL text is there inside of the source code or not? Source code or not? So what I'm saying, what I'm trying to say, login URL is there inside of the page source code. The login URL text is there or not in page source code, I need to validate. Still confused? One database is there. Okay? Database. In the inside of the database, Anil name is there or not, I need to verify. That's it. Now it is clear, everybody? Okay? Same source code is one database. Just imagine. Okay? Inside of the source code, login URL text is there or not, I need to validate. I need to validate. Is it clear, everybody? Okay? Yeah. Now you guys so tell me how to write the code. What is the first one? Launch URL. Okay, launch URL. And after that, what? Yeah, okay, all right. Boys, system.set property. Boys, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Boys, what next? Huh? Here, which path? Source path. Which driver? Chrome driver. See, this is the latest one. 119. Just copy as path. Copy as path and paste it here. And after that, we need to provide. And here I need to write a driver equal to new Chrome Is it clear? Okay. WebDriver driver. Just I need to import. Okay. Import org dot openqa dot Selenium. Just I want to import the Chrome driver. Okay. Chrome driver. Once you guys are import the Chrome driver, you guys are provide driver dot get, and we need to provide expected URL. Which URL? Login URL. We need to provide the URL. Once you guys are provide the URL, let's wait some time. Sleep. And after that, I need to convert minimize to maximize. Minimize to maximize. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Very good. And I need to throw the declaration. And after that, I want to create a void public void page src, page src. Okay. Now you guys are observe driver dot get page source, driver dot get page source, and after that I need to store driver dot get page source inside of the string src. src equals to, I want to print the source code in my console. Okay, I want to print source code in my console. So sys.out.println, I need to call inside of the sys.out.println, I need to call src. src. What I'm saying, I am able to get the source code. I am able to print source code inside of the console. And after that, what I need to do? Yeah, I want to verify and validate the specific text. I want to validate the specific text, login URL or any text, not only login URL, any text you can validate. So what is the logic? Every method I was explaining in Java. I said clearly the time you guys are practice every concept we are able to use inside of the Selenium. Absolutely. Boys, I will give the clue. I will give the clue. Gmail is there. When I enter invalid data, Google could not find your account. Could not find Google account. That is one message. When you are enter some data, numeric, alphabet, special characters, the time you people are able to get, please enter valid password or valid email or phone number. You people are able to get. What is the difference between the could not find your Google account and please enter valid email or phone number? Whenever you providing the request, the Gmail is go to the database location. The Gmail will validate the related information is there or not inside of the database. It will be verified by using contains method. Here, the contains method go to source code location. Login URL is there or not, it will be verified. It is there inside of the source code, then it should be displayed. Then it should be displayed. Is it clear or not? You are able to understand or not? So, contains. What is the step? Which step I need to provide? Contains, very good. Very good. If source code I stored, where I stored? Yes, src dot. What is our expecting here? This is we are expecting. Am I correct? Yeah, you guys are very fine. See, login URL. And inside of the condition sys.out.println is available. Else is not available. Okay. Now I will execute. obj obj dot launch AUT obj dot page. It is clear? Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Now I will execute. Just I need to launch the browser and get the page source code inside of the console. Validate the login URL is there or not. Okay. See, I will verify. See, these are all page source code. Whatever you are verifying under login page, okay, page source code, everything I am able to print in my console. And after that, what is our expected here? Is available or not? Okay, see, is available. Okay, now I need to provide the something here. Username and password. Right click on here, execute. Launch the application URL. And after that, we need to get the title, sorry, source code, and is not available. Clear? Is it clear or not? The next one, I need to add one more method. Okay. See guys, this is the launch method. You guys are able to understand? This is the launch method, online and offline. This is the launched method. Okay. Line number 16. You guys are observe. Line number 16. What I was launch, the launch related application, Salesforce login page, source code, that page source code I want to get. If I want to get the page source code, if I want to get this page source code, this one, if I want to get this page source code, line number 17 will explain system.out.println. The page line number 16, I stored the page source code in my one variable src. When I call line number 17, The expected I want to print inside of the console. So line number 18, I need to validate. What I need to validate? Inside of the source code. See, source code means in this username and password is the text is there or not, I need to verify. Yes, if I want to explain, the Telugu people are 100% able to understand, but I am not explain. Okay? Yeah. See, the username and password is there or not in this space source code, I want to verify. I want to verify. Why? Because if it is there, username and password, test case is pass. If it is not there, the test case is fail. Okay? See, you guys are observe. If I want to verify username and password inside of the page source code, how I need to verify? By using contains method. Where I store the page source code? I was stored page source code inside of the src. src dot contain. Okay? src dot contains. src dot contains. In that page source code, username and password is there or not, I need to validate. Is there? It is available. Is not there? It is not available. Is it clear or not, online and offline? Online. Yeah, just the type of message is there or not, I will verify. Okay. Just the type of message is there or not, I will verify. Okay, I will verify one more time. Okay, done. So I need to close this one. It is not available. It is clear. Is it clear or not? Okay. Any doubt? Okay, only you need username. Okay. Now I need to close. Is available. Username is available. So I will check. Username is available. See. Clear? Username is available. So that is the how to get the page source code and how to validate the expected text. How to get the page source code and how to validate the expected text. Online guys. Any doubt online guys? Krishna, Sai, clear? Samina is clear? Online, I am talking about online, not offline. Okay, thank you. See guys. 13. 30 main method. This one, this, yeah, that is I'm talking 30. You are talking about throws. Whenever you put the thread dot sleep in real time also, they said clearly we need to avoid the thread dot sleep. Okay. When we are using the thread dot sleep, must and should we are able to get at throws declaration. That is common. Or else we need to put inside of the try catch block. You no need to use at throws declaration. Otherwise, you can put all the code inside of the try catch block. What is the try catch block? Exception. Yeah, exception handling everyone is knows. What is the try? Boys, what is the try catch? What is the try catch? Okay. Okay, Priyanka. A driver path you need to download separately. Okay, that is not showing inside of your machine. You need to go to the Google Chrome Labs GitHub. There, driver path is available. You need to download driver path, driver, Chrome driver, and extract the driver path, and we need to provide the location. That is the process. It is clear? Yeah. Today what was discussed? First one, how to get the title. How to get the title. Second one, how to compare the title, expected and actual. Third one, how to get the page source code. Fourth one, how to validate expected text is there or not in page source code. Okay. Is it clear? It is clear or not? Yeah. Any doubt? Sorry, importing of jar files. Yeah. Yesterday, I provided one link, online support. Online guys, if you have any queries online guys, you guys are connect that link. They will clarify your doubt. Okay, Prasad. Yesterday, admin provide one link, online support. Okay, you guys are connect that people. They will support how to configure the Selenium project. Okay. And the code is not, you people are unable to understand, please ask me, definitely I will explain. Okay, configuration related online, those people are will support. Those people are will support. Is it clear? Online guys, is it clear? Offline, do you have any doubts? Offline guys, do you have any doubt? Yeah, if you have a doubt, you can stay. And otherwise, you guys are leave. Thank you guys. I will continue the notes tomorrow. Okay. Huh? Yeah, 1 minute. This code I will provide in Google Classroom. I will provide in Google Classroom. Okay, thank you. Thank you, one and all. Already I provided in Google Classroom. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you, one and all. Meena, please check the Google Classroom. Everything I upload, guys. I uploaded or not Google Classroom Java code? No. No. That is able to download in system. System. Also it is downloaded. You need to open the new tab. It will be open. Okay, done. Right click change. Expand all. సేమ్ అంత మొత్తం ఓకేనా అన్ని చేసేసి ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి మొత్తం తీసుకుని ఒక ఫోల్డర్ లో పెట్టుకో ఎనీ డౌట్ మమత ఎనీ డౌట్ okay okay guys online guys do you have any doubt text me here otherwise yes Prasad yes installation there is no installation Selenium only download the jar files yeah jar files yeah jar files I will upload in Google Classroom that is very simple guys go to selenium.dev click on the main link click on download you need to click on the first link okay that is the process sorry external jar files internal jar is external jar liquid లిప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయకూడదు అప్లోడ్ చేయకూడదు లిప్ బయట చేయాలి ఫోల్డర్ ఫస్ట్ ఓపెన్కి వెళ్ళేసి ఫైల్కి వెళ్ళేసి ఓపెన్ చేసి యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి అదే చూడండి రైట్ క్లిక్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీసా జావాకి వెళ్ళిపోతా యాడ్ చేసావు కదా మొత్తం లిప్ చేయలేదా క్లాస్ పార్ట్ యాడ్ openly select a open okay ఏమంటే గట్టిగానే ఏం ఎక్లిప్స్ కాదు ప్రాజెక్ట్ మొత్తం చెప్తారు. Yes, అంతే. క్రోమా డౌన్లోడ్ చేయలేదా? మిగతా అన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేశారా? మీ వంశం ఏంటి? డ్రైవర్ అనేది చేసాము. అండ్ ఎడ్జ్ డ్రైవర్ అండ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డ్రైవర్ ఎడ్జి క్రోమ్ డ్రైవర్ అనేది చేసాను, డౌన్లోడ్ చేసాను. అండ్ మనం ఇది ఉంటుంది కదా, ఎడ్జ్ అండ్ ఫైర్ బాక్స్ ఉంది కదా, ఎడ్జ్ అండ్ ఫైర్ బాక్స్ మనం డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. ఎడ్జ్ ఫైర్ బాక్స్ సెలీనియం డెవకి వెళ్ళిపో, దీనికి వెళ్ళి దాంట్లో ఎక్కడ దీంట్లో ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ ఎట్లుందా డాక్యుమెంట్స్ డౌన్లోడ్ కొట్టేస్తే, డౌన్లోడ్ కొట్టిన వెంటనే ఓకే బ్రౌజర్ ఓకే బ్రౌజర్స్ ఓకే బ్రౌజర్ మీద చూస్తుంది. ఓకే వచ్చేసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఫైర్ వస్తుంది, క్రోమ్ వస్తుంది, ఎడ్జ్ వస్తుంది. కానీ క్రోమ్ మనకు దొరకదు అక్కడ. ఓకే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. సింపుల్. రికార్డింగ్ రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మీకు రికార్డింగ్స్ కావాలంటే అడ్మిన్ అడగండి, అడ్మిన్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. ఏమన్నారు? 1 డే కూడా ఇవ్వనండి. 1 డే 2 days ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు, ఎంత అవ్వట్లేదు. ఇక గూగుల్ క్రోమ్ ల్యాబ్ అని కొట్టండి వెంటనే రావాలి. గూగుల్ క్రోమ్ ల్యాబ్ అని take the screenshot. Same vendor last week. And just browser వచ్చేసి Chrome driver Windows. So create browser version కనుక్కొని కంట్రోలర్ కొట్టేసి అక్కడ ఎంటర్ చేయండి. దాంట్లో 64 అనేది డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. 86 కాదు, సిస్టమ్ 64 కాబట్టి ఎకో డ్రైవర్ వచ్చి ఎకో డ్రైవర్ క్లిక్ చేసి the latest version for the browser.